Preposition of time. In the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the evening, in February, in February, in the spring, in the spring, in the summer, in the summer, in the fall, in the autumn, in the winter, in the winter, in 2013, in 2013, in the 1990, in the 1990, on Sunday, on Sunday, on Monday morning, on Monday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, on Tuesday afternoon, on Wednesday evening, on Wednesday evening, on my birthday, on my birthday, on a holiday, on a holiday, on May 5, on May 5, on a weekday, on a weekday, on the weekend, on the weekend, at night, at night, at 10:30, at 10:30, at noon, at noon, at midday, at midday, at midnight, at midnight, at bedtime, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunrise, at sunset, at sunset, in the weekend, at the weekend, at the weekend,